In this video, we show how you can make $3,200 trading stock options in one day by using a real example on Amazon earnings that made 400%. So yesterday, February 1st, before earnings, we published this video. This is the title, one day ago, where we predicted the earnings based on our analysis of what the wealthy investors were trading. And we found that they were bullish on Amazon. So we set up an options trading strategy that was also bullish. And that is how we made 400%. We'll put a link to this video at the top here. If you missed it, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on these money-making opportunities. Now, the way we had found these trades of wealthy investors was here at the options time and sales tape. You can see which options they were trading and number of contracts, the price, so you can calculate out the value of their trades. Okay, and what we found yesterday were 3 sets of data. This was one of them, and this was a bullish trade. And this was the second one that we had analyzed. It was also a bullish trade, a vertical call spread that's bullish. And this is the third one, also bullish and profitable, as all 3 of them are, since they were all bullish. And that is why we set up this option strategy that we went over as our trade. $80 each. We showed 10 contracts, 10 trades, so 10 times 80 is 800. So the risk was 800. You can see that if Amazon had gone down, it's a loss of 800 here. This is the profit loss diagram. And because Amazon rallied all the way to 170, you can see here, this is our profit point right here, where it ended up. This is more than $3,000 of profit here. So that's was 3,200 right here. So when we calculate this out, you can see 3,200 divided by the cost of 800 times 100, and that's how we made 400%. Okay, so if you are interested in how we do this and get access to better trades out there, make sure to go to our website. We'll put a link here, and also make sure, if you didn't already, watch this video yesterday before earnings on Amazon, and how we were able to predict, analyze, and set up the option strategy. Take care and have a great weekend.